In this video, we are going to look at more practice. And here for each diagram, write the theorem that can prove the two triangles are similar. If they are not similar, then write NA. Okay, now you can pause me for a while and try by yourself. Okay, now I'll assume you are back. In the first diagram, the lengths of all the sides are given, so we do need to calculate the ratio. And the longer side corresponds to the longer side. So you need to calculate the ratio for these two sides here. It should be 21/18. 3 is the common factor, so it is equal to 7/6. And then the ratio of the two bases is 8/6, and that is equal to 4/3. These two ratios are not equal, so these two triangles are not similar. So that is NA. The second diagram is pretty tricky. Here you need to be careful of which side is corresponding to which side. Some students just intuitively assume that this side is corresponding to this side, but that is not right. Remember, it is always the shorter side corresponding to the shorter side, and the longer side corresponding to the longer side. So here the two given sides in the smaller triangle are 6 and 7, and the two given sides in the bigger triangle are 7 plus 5, 12, and 6 plus 8, 14. So you need to calculate the ratio of these two sides and then the ratio of these two sides. So 6/12 is equal to 1/2, and the 7/14 is also equal to 1/2. So these sides here, they are proportional. And it should be this side corresponding to this side, and this side corresponding to this side. And then from this diagram, we know this is the common angle for these two triangles. So according to the side angle side similarity, these two triangles are similar. Then in the third diagram, these two triangles are right triangles. So we have these two angles are congruent. And the shorter side, 7.2, is corresponding to the shorter side, 4.8. So the ratio is 7.2/4.8. That is equal to 72/48. 24 is the common factor, so you can divide 24 on the top and bottom, and that is equal to 3/2. Then 9 is corresponding to 6, so the ratio is 9/6, that is equal to 3/2. And these two ratios are equal, so these sides, they are proportional, and their included angles are 90 degrees. So these two triangles are similar, again, by side angle side, the sandwich theorem, side angle side similarity. The last diagram is also a little bit tricky. Some students just jumped into the conclusion that these two triangles are not similar because they noticed 38 is not equal to 32. But that is not right. We do need to look at what is going on for this angle here. And this angle is equal to 180, subtract 110, subtract 38. And that is equal to 180 subtract 148, and that is equal to 32 degrees. So this angle here is also equal to 32. So 32, 32, 110, 110. So here we have two pairs of congruent angles. So according to AA similarity, these two triangles are similar. Okay, thank you for watching. I will see you in next video.